And what's going on, YouTube? It's your boy KR3 back with another video, man. It's been a little minute. I know. It's been a little minute. What's up, y'all? Today's video, just wanted to, talk a little bit, where I've been, things have happened, good or bad things that happened, things are broken, things like that, you know what I'm saying? So, this today's gonna be a little POV, just catching up. Got some new mods, new stuff, new plans, and all that for the future for the little 3 valve out there. But yeah, let me show you guys a couple little things I got new for the car. Give me 1 second. This is one of the new mods I got for the car. Carbon fiber steering wheel. It's really fucking dusty right now. Like I bought it, like it came in like December. I haven't put it on yet at all. The car has been sitting outside. I know the weather's been fucking ass. So yeah, I got this. Couple more things, let me show you. Give me 1 second. You see from here, I got the simply built turning signals from them. Got those. I got the S650 tail lights as well for the car. I'll show you guys that when I go outside. I have these already from another company called Light Fiends. Literally, like, they went out within like a day. So so yeah, bro. I mean, not a day, like a week, like 2 weeks. I had them. I put them in. One of the lights went out. I'm like, yo, bro, I had it from 2 weeks. So I ordered from Simply Built. I should have went through the first place. But yeah, let's go to the car. And show you guys other mods and all that. So boys, this box over here, that one, and that one. Let's just say fun parts. Let's just say that. I'm gonna show y'all boys probably next video or something, but just want to get a little POVs to come back, just I miss y'all, man. I miss making content. I've been down for a little bit, but KR3 is back on YouTube, bro. Let's get it. Let's get the grind started. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the POV, go to my car actually, show you the other little mods I got, little stuff that I was talking about earlier. But yeah, let's get to it. All right, YouTube. A little cold start. We're in neutral. I know it's dark as hell. Bear with me. Bear with me, y'all. All right, boys. So, for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna have the light on. But don't mind the steering wheel. We're gonna talk about all that later and stuff. Don't mind that. We'll go get some gas, 48 miles. But yeah, new mods. We have got new mods. New power mods as well. Like new power mods, big power mods. Let me get my drift. Steering wheel. I'm gonna get all that installed soon. The weather just been like really terrible lately. It's been like this. Not very enjoyable, man. It's disgusting outside. It's getting dark soon. I just, if you're up north, you understand me. It's like just terrible weather, man. You can't really have no fun. Yeah, go get some gas real quick. This dude is on my bumper crazy. Now, but yeah, let's get some gas really quickly. Have a little chat. So as you can see, we do have the RGB like tail lights, change different colors and stuff like that. These are the RGB S650 tail lights. See red, as far as the turn signals, as you can see, I don't know if you can see from the video, that this one is off, but this turn signal over here lighted up LED white. Like I told you, after like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, they went out for some reason. But like I told you guys, as you can see from the pumps here, somebody had to pull up, huh? As you can see right here, bro. Yeah, as you can see right here is RGB. So you got purple, blue, pink. You got like darkest blue, as you can see from the colors here. And you can change up the colors if you want to. So I can have like, let's see. Let's change this preset. Turn it down, the brightness, it gets really bright. Go to here, you turn it all down. See, it turns off, goes black. So you can have your side lights on, front lights on, that in the back, it turns on. I just usually use red because you guys know cops, you know, all that. So I usually use red, it's good for that. All right, let's see how much it is. Yes, guys, I'm still on 87 gas for right now. I'm still 87 gas for right now until I well, you, like I said, you guys will see the miles coming soon and all that. Let's see how much it takes. But yeah, I'm loving this car, bro. Like I said, the reason for the steering wheel, the rip and all that, this is all for a reason. So to let you guys know, it's not for nothing. Press my window. But yeah, guys, big miles coming soon, big fun coming soon. I can't wait till summertime, bro. Oh my God, I cannot wait till summer. All right, boys, car is warmed up. Car's warmed up, but yeah, guys, I'm excited, bro, for the summertime. A lot of big plans coming for summer. Like I said, I just love car stuff, bro. I just want to start making more videos, like even if just like small little kind of videos of me like really not doing a lot, just making content, bro. I like making content. This car sounds so good, bro. We get some downshift for you guys. Too crazy because it's raining, and I have a story about that in the rain, me and rain. So that's kind of the reason why I haven't been posted that much. Like, if you know, you know. If you know, you know. But yeah, get little downshifts. Woo! This bitch sounds so crazy. Oh my God. Like idling weird or sounding weird right now. I'm gonna park up and check it. I still haven't got, if you guys know, I still haven't got the little wrench and stuff fixed. That might be what's causing this little idle surge I've been having, like, going on. Let me park up. See if I can, like, park up, trying to fix it. All right, YouTube, I think it's fixed now. So my car, it's been happening for a while. I just been too lazy to get it fixed. It's like auto surging. Like, I started up after like 10 seconds, and you would hear like just surging a little bit. Not sure what it is, but I've just been too lazy to go to a mechanic and get it fixed. But I'm gonna go soon. I wanted this car to be done before summertime. I gotta get, like I said, things installed, but I want all the maintenance done first before I do everything, all that. But let's get out of here. Oh, that's great. Yeah, it shouldn't be the sensors, but I hope not. Plans for the, as far as motor wise, I do plan on getting my motor built. This car is so loud, bro. Yeah, I do plan on getting my motor fully built. Rods, pistons. I'm not doing crankshaft because I'm not pushing it that much. Rods, pistons, my new head gaskets. I'm gonna do oil pump gears because I'm gonna try to rev this car out to 7,500 for the build I'm planning to do. As far as me staying NA, I'm not doing that no more. So damn loud, bro. God. This car is so fucking loud, bro. But yeah, I'm planning on getting the motor built a little bit. Oil pump gears, probably timing chain, little stuff, new lifters, rockers, rods, pistons, just stuff like that, just to get ready for like boost. I'm gonna keep it mild at first. Like, I'm gonna fully build the motor, do the boost, keep around 500, 550 because I gotta save up, you know, for a build training. I don't want my training going out and all that, so it's probably gonna go out at like 500 wheel, but fuck it. I'd rather the transmission go out than the goddamn engine. So, yeah. I'm gonna get the trans fully built. I mean, new trans. Probably gonna get a T56. That's what I've been looking at, T56s. I've been wanting a 6-speed. So, yo, why is this car on my bumper? Just like, back up, buddy. Goddamn. Anybody else, like, people does that when you drive your sports car? People just like, we expect you to go fast. Like, relax. But yeah, that's the plans, man. Just want to talk to y'all, come back. This weather is so ass, bro. Oh my god, this weather is ass. I want to go home, but just want to talk to y'all boys, man. In and out. In and out with some Dom shits. Why not? Little third. Jesus Christ. Want to hear a second? Next POV will be more driving and car stuff, like car exhaust and all that, whatever. Just want to get you guys a little updates. It's been a while since I made YouTube videos, so hope you guys enjoyed this one. Many more coming soon. Consistent KR is coming. More 3-valve content because I know y'all love it. And yeah, man. It's your boy KR and I'm out. See you next video. Peace.